Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is related to book. I have just finished this book and thought I should put my views. Yeah, I know it's a long time I did not make a video on book, so today I'm going to do that. So the book is a half-baked love story, which is written by Anurag Garg and Gunjan Narang, and the book is a bestseller book. I don't know why I picked this book. I don't know why picked this book. Actually, guys, neither I like this book nor I dislike the book, because the first part of the book is little bit of dramatic kind, and the second part of the book is related to issue जो कि you will find in every relationship, which is casteism, and that's why I think second part of the book is little bit interesting, and you will love to read second part of the book, guys. Okay, let me elaborate the first. The main protagonist of the book is Arav and Anamika. Arav is a guy, dumbstruck or love struck, I would say, and spellbound guy who confesses every last detail of his love story to his drunkyard friends on a New Year night. And so the story is related to childhood, and after 10th Arav shifted to another school, and there he saw Anamika, and he felt for Anamika, but Anamika did not express her feeling, but पूरी स्कूल एक ट्रिप पे गई थी मनाली, एंड देयर they both started talking, and after coming from Manali on her birthday, Arav proposed to Anamika and she accepted, but very interesting point, Arav अपनी फर्स्ट डेट पे ही एम्प्टी वॉलेट के साथ गया था, एंड the story is related to actually Delhi, and Anamika के ब्रदर की शादी में they both have been caught kissing by Anamika's father. तो उसके बाद अनामिका के फादर वहाँ दिल्ली से शिफ्ट हो गए और दे वेंट कोलकाता, एंड उसके बाद आरव अपनी आईआईटी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था, एंड देन ही रिस्क्ड हिज आईआईटी एग्ज़ाम्स, एंड जो उससे मतलब उससे लास्ट टाइम मिलने के लिए, बिकॉज़ अनामिका की शादी हो रही थी किसी उसी के फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के उसके पापा के फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के बेटे से, सो आरव उससे लास्ट टाइम मिलने के लिए गया था, एंड yeah, the story is totally related to casteism. Actually, Arav was a Kshatriya guy, and the Anamika was a typical Bengali girl. So, and Anamika's parents are also typically Bengali, तो वो बंगाली गाय ही अनामिका के लिए सोच रहे थे, तो इसके लिए उन्होंने अनामिका की पढ़ाई छुड़वा दी थी, और शी वॉज़ अ ब्राइट स्टूडेंट स्टिल, बट या तो उस आरव ने भी अपनी आईआईटी की प्रिपरेशन को रिस्क पे रख दिया था. सो द स्टोरी इज़ टोटली रिलेटेड टू दिस, एंड उसके बाद जब वो लास्ट टाइम अनामिका से मिलने के लिए गया था, तो शी टोल्ड हिम दैट कि उसकी शादी होने वाली है और ही शुड मूव ऑन, लाइक दैट शी सेड, और ऐसा हुआ, एंड वो वापस आ गया लाइक दैट. बस तो ये टोटली जो सारी स्टोरी है, बस एक यही स्टोरी है इसमें. सो इफ़ यू लाइक टू read like romantic book, if you're a lover of romantic book, you can read this book. Or but yeah, I would not recommend कि आप इस book को पढ़ना ही, because I really did not like the book much. So yeah guys, so that is my view related to this book. If you like my view, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.